Drama, dark humor, mental illness, and madness are just some of the few things you get to see in the play Broken Words by Puerto Rican playwright and director Alejandra Ramos, with support from Pregones Puerto Rican Theater and its Step Up Artists in Residence initiative.
Broken Words has a lot of heart into it. It's not an easy story. It has a lot of dark humor, but it is a drama. So you can laugh, but you're probably going to be like laughing and at the same time being like, oh my God, why am I laughing at this, you know? But it's a lovely story. It's very human. It's very universal.
In the play, there are 4 characters, but I won't name the last one. I want you to figure it out when you see the play. So let's begin. Scientist Guy Price has never been married but shares a love interest with Virginia, the mother, a psychologist and an only child who gave birth to Julia, who experienced an abusive childhood, attempted suicide twice, and was placed in a psychiatric institute by her mother. Alejandra talks about the pharmaceutical industry.
Just navigating inside that world and how people can really be affected by that, and family too. As humans, we have a lot. We are all confused at some point, and when you add all these things, it creates a chaos, and that's part of what Broken Words, talks about.
Omar Perez, who plays Guy Price, wants the audience to have an open heart when seeing the play.
Keep an open mind and be ready to experience all kinds of emotions. There's comedy, there's things that will really make you think and really consider the human condition. I think that's what all great art does.
Alejandra hopes this play goes into full production by next year. Reporting for BronxNet, Yesenia Ramos.